a profitable YouTube niche. Focus on topics that advertisers value. A YouTube niche is the main topic your channel focuses on, like tech tutorials or finance basics. A clear niche leads to better growth and higher AdSense income. Choose niches where advertisers pay well, such as tech, security, education, and finance. High-paying niches attract businesses, increasing CPM. Solve problems people search for, like fixing slow internet or removing viruses. Problem-solving videos get long watch times and repeat views. Check demand using YouTube search and Google search to see what people are searching for. If many videos exist, demand is proven. Ensure you can create content easily. Aim for 50-100 videos on the topic. Ask yourself if you can explain things simply and create faceless content. Best niches for faceless channels include tech tutorials and software walkthroughs. Avoid low-profit niches like random entertainment or re-uploaded content. Views don't always equal money. Value and watch time do. Before starting, validate your niche by answering 3 questions with yes. Do people search for this topic daily? Do advertisers pay for this audience? Can you create videos consistently? If yes, you found a profitable niche. Remember, focus on value, solve problems, and check demand before creating content. This approach will help you build a successful YouTube channel in 2025. Consider creating tutorials on software or guides on online security. Also, explore education and how-to guides to attract a wider audience. Finance basics are always in demand, especially if presented safely and educationally. Online tools, apps, and websites also offer great opportunities for tutorials. Business and productivity tutorials can attract a professional audience. Always aim to provide clear, focused, and consistent content. This consistency will help YouTube promote your channel more effectively. By focusing on these high-paying niches, you can maximize your AdSense income. Remember to always check the demand before you start creating content. Use free tools like YouTube search and Google search to validate your ideas. If many videos already exist, it means there is proven demand for the topic. If no one is searching for it, it might be best to skip it and find another niche. Good luck with your YouTube journey. Keep creating valuable content. And always adapt to the changing trends.